Click on this subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel. To get latest notifications and updates about my videos, click on this bell icon. Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the introduction to basic commands. The basic commands, I want to explain the line by using the line operation L enter, and also on the toolbar the line operation is there. You can also perform this by using the command, and we'll also use the operations on the above tools, different types of tools. You can also by using I am drawing one of the line by using the line operation and check the dimension. Some of the dimensions is there. First give the line enter. It asks the specify first point, specify the point. I am giving the 150 for example. One of the point is created. I want to first point is created and I want to give the end point. It asks the end point and give some of the value and check the distance. See this 308. Like this you can create by using the line operation. You can create the different types of lines according to the drawing. The horizontal lines and the vertical lines are possible by using this. See the vertical line and the horizontal line, like this. Change the direction by using the mouse. You can change the direction and simply give the dimensions. I'm giving all of the dimensions to 50. All of the horizontal lines. I develop the 2 vertical lines and the 2 horizontal lines, and to develop a small square and check the dimensions. All are in 50. All dimensions are same. Then the line is completed. I want to develop the one of the square block is there. I want to develop by using the rectangle block. Simply I am giving the 100 length and I want to give the width. Simply draw the horizontal line of 100 and the vertical line of 50. Then you can observe on the screen one of the rectangle is formed by using the line operations 100 and the 50. Like this you can check the all of the dimensions. Both are same, the 50 and the 100. Like this you can, by the line operations, you can develop the any of the object like this. Next go on to the circle operation. It has 6 features: the center, radius and the diameter, and 2 point, 3 point and tan radius, and the tan 3 tans. And I will explain this circle operations. All are circle. Specify the radius of the circle. It asking after giving the circle command. First I am giving the radius, R enter. I am giving the 50 and check the dimension. It is radius 50 or not. I am giving the radius 50. Okay, radius 50. You want to give the by using the diameter also you can give C enter. It specify the diameter of the circle. D enter and give the diameter of 100. Difference between the radius and the diameter is in center point to the end point. The radius is 50. From the end point to the another end point of the circle the distance is 100. The difference between the circle and the radius is different, then only the circle varies in the 2 formats, and the radius and the circle. You want to give the radius, you should give the radius. You want to give the diameter, you can also give the diameter by using this operation. The radius and the circle is different, but you check the dimension, it is different. By using on the Auto-Cad you should give the exact values. Then the circle and diameter, center radius of the diameter and the center radius of the center diameter of the 2 operations is completed. Next to go on to the 2 point operation on the screen. I will explain you. If the one of the line is there, by using the 2 endpoints you can create the circle. How will create this I will explain you. Simply draw the line by using the line operation anywhere, the basic explanation, and go on to the 2 point and select the first point and select the end point. By this type of objects you can give the 2 point circle operation. The 2 points are required to make a circle. This is nothing but a operation. This is the simple operation. You can give the slant line also. You can also create the circle. Then the 2 point circle is completed. Then go on to the next operation. By using the move operation I am removing the object and it is created. Then 3 point, if you anywhere the 3 points are there, you want to create by using these 3 points according to the 3 points. The 3 point cycle is helpful. see the 3 points are created like this. Select the first point and select the second point, select the third point. Then like this you can develop the another circle by using the 3 point circle. You can also, it look like a triangle also, you can give the circle according to the 3 points the circle is created. You can check the dimension also, the radius and the diameter both are will observe on the screen. You can also practice this drawing in Auto-Cad file. You can observe the different types of circles and different types of objects you can create by using this. As per the requirement, these type of circles are helpful. Mostly the center radius and the center diameter are using. In some cases these 4 types will also helpful. See, like this you can develop the different types of circle by using the 3 point circle operations. You see, 3 point circle operation is completed. Next go on to the 3 point circle operation is completed. Next go on to the tan radius is there. Tan radius nothing but one of the, if you observe any of the 2 parallel lines, in between the distance is there, in between the distance any of the one is line, consider one of the line. First select the profile and select like this. You can develop this by tan, selecting the 2 tans and select the center point, select the end point and the first point. You can create the lines. See, like this you can create the different types of circles by using the 3 lines. And see, by using the tan, if you observe the tan symbols on the screen, you should on the snap settings and select the select all option. If you not selected all the operations, it will not perform in exact manner. I will explain you by snap setting also. And next go on to the tan, go on to the tan. Introduction to Auto-Cad explained about the snap settings, and in my previous tutorial in the tan 3 lines are required. Like this one of the circle is created. See, again I want to go on to the tan. First select the second line, third line. Then by using the 3 profiles you can develop the in between the another circle is created. Like this you can practice different types of models you can create by using the tan operation and the circle radius diameter operations. You can give the different types of circle as per the requirement of the drawings. You can do the different types of operations. Nearly 6 type of operations are there in the circle. Then line command is completed and the circle and the 6 operations are completed. This is the basic tutorial for the beginners. I'm explaining one of the series I'm explaining. And the erase command, next go on to the erase. You want to erase, simply erase, enter and select the object it asks. You select all of the objects where you want to erase the objects. Select all of the circles like this, all of the lines. Then erase will perform the operation and the material is removed and the objects or lines are also removed by using the erase command. And the line and the circle erase is completed. And go on to the command Control Z if you want to the Control plus Z. If you want the previous object, simply press on the Control Z option, Control plus Z, then previous object will appears. The previous what you deleted, it will again regains onto the top of the screen. You can observe on the screen by using the Control Z. This is nothing but the undo option. Next go on to the Control P. I will explain you how to give the print. If you select the printer and select the paper size what you want, A4 or A3, first go on to the window. I'm selecting this and go on to the center to plot and portrait as per the requirement, portrait and the preview. See, like this you can create the print by using the Control P operations. To browse this, I am saving to the desktop and click on open. I am using the do PDF 8. Already explained about the one of the video how to download this do PDF 8 and install to the Auto-Cad software to like a plugin to print the drawing in the PDF format. I'll explain in the previous tutorials. You can also watch the tutorials how to download the Do PDF 8 in the free version. Also I explained in my previous tutorial. You want the Do PDF 8 software, see my previous tutorial in my channel. This is the model and these are the commands.